we will discuss Zi-Bai script for this class. Actually, this is going to be a very challenging one for me because I have to translate an ancient Chinese script into a modern English language. So it's I'm not even sure I can exactly reflect the meaning of that ancient Chinese script, but I mean in English. I mean by this type of verbal translation. But my main purpose for this class is I just want to show you how to do the analysis without remembering the script. That's my main purpose, because when you do the we usually call that Zi-Bai analysis of the flying star map. So when we do the Zi-Bai analysis of this flying star map, we actually don't try to pick up the memory of the script. We actually just use the 5-element theory and the nature of the star to analyze the relationship and the interaction between the stars, like what I did in the last class. That's my main purpose. That's my main purpose, and also my secondary purpose for this is just to let you know that this thing exists, and you have an idea in your mind what it looks like. And obviously these are not all the script. If you search online the Zi-Bai script, I don't know if I search English it will show up, but maybe it will. Maybe it will. If you just search online and Zi-Bai script feng shui, then it should give you all the script. I just picked some typical ones here to show you how to do the analysis instead of trying to memorize the script itself. Okay, so what the script says is essentially the discussion of the relationship, the discussion of the effect of the combination of the stars. And for example, let's say one here, the first example is not so clear here. And the first example, so 1, 4. If star 1 and 4 are in the same paths, then what the effect would be? So this 1, 4 means so we have mountain star, right? And we have facing star, water star, facing star or water star, and there's also a yearly star, right? Yearly star. So when I say 1, 4 here, I actually mean the mountain star and water star are 1 and 4. For example, mountain star is 1, water star is 4, and yearly star is 1 or 4. Let me repeat that. It's important. Otherwise, we'll do the completely wrong analysis. So this 1, 4, the combination of 1, 4 here means in a palace. Let's say in a certain palace. Let's say this is the southeast, right? So mountain star is 1, facing star is 4, yearly star is 4 or 1. That's okay. Or mountain star is 4, facing star is 1, yearly star is 4 or 1. That is the combination of, that is the meaning of the combination of 1, 4 here. And so if you see this type of combination in certain palace, and this type of combination is in the direction of your main door of the house, or it's in the bedroom, then that means you will probably earn high score in the exam. Is that true? Probably not so true, but that's how the script says. And how come it has this kind of conclusion is because 4 is related to study, related to learning, and get high score in the exam. It's the star 4. Is what the star 4 is about. While the 4 is wood element. In 1, star 1 is water element, and water will generate wood. And this is harmonic relationship between the two stars. So the strength or the power of star 4 will be reinforced, and that means well, the chances of earning high score in the exam is even higher than just a star 4. But as I mentioned before, usually in this ancient Chinese script, they will give very absolute conclusions, which is usually not right. So you have to look at it with a very critical mind. Second one. So 7 and 9, which means 7 is the mountain star, 9 is the water star, and the yearly star is 7 or 9. In one palace, and this palace is in the direction where the main door or the bedroom is located. Okay. In that case, for that specific year, remember there's a yearly star involved. So that means for that specific year, your house might have fire accident. Actually, I've seen many cases, and I don't see any fire accident. I guess maybe because in ancient China, those people don't know much about fire, and they don't have fire alarm, and they don't know how to control the fire very well. So fire accident is definitely more frequent than right now. But how come they have this conclusion? So because 9 is fire element. 9 is fire element, and the 7 is metal element. And the metal is usually related to money, because in ancient times the money is just a coin. Right? It's just a coin. There was no paper money like right now. So the fire will destroy the metal, so their relationship is not harmonic, and the result is, well, the result according to Zi-Bai script is fire accident. But as I just said, you cannot just make this conclusion based on that for modern society. You cannot. You just know that there's fire and metal, and they fight against each other, and that's inauspicious. Then that's it. Don't give that specific conclusion of fire accident. That's not right. Okay. And 2 and 5, we actually already had that example in previous class. Remember, in southeast we have, in that example we had in last class, southeast there's 5 and 2, 5 and 2, and there's 2 there. That's yearly star 2, mountain star and facing star 5 and 2, and that can cause death. As I said, they always make very exaggerating conclusions. They can cause death or very serious illness. So this is very apparent, because star 2 represents illness, and 5 represents the great misfortunes, catastrophe, the casualty, all kinds of bad luck is represented by star 5, and both of them belongs to Earth element. Both of them belongs to Earth element, and they will reinforce each other, and the power will be even stronger than just one star. So the conclusion of in Zi-Bai script is death. And I also don't see that cases in my personal experience. But anyway, if you see this type of combination, like the combination I showed in last class, you have to be careful for that year. You have to be careful for that year, and in certain cases, you'll have to do some object placement to reduce the power of all of them. Okay, 3 and 7, they can cause the combination of 3 and 7. They will cause conflict, legal hassle, robbery, casualties, and all of this conclusion is also very apparent because 3 usually represents conflict, and 7 represents the robbery and casualties. So the combination of 3 and 7 is the end result of the combination of 3 and 7 is all this, and the element of 3 is wood, and element of star 7 is metal, and wood for metal and wood they fight against each other, so their relationship is not harmonic. So it's considered as inauspicious. Okay. And number five, in the script it says number 5. No matter where the yearly star number 5 is located, it will cause death, great misfortune. Now you see that it's another very exaggerating conclusion. It doesn't make much sense, but again, you need to, as a feng shui consultant, if you see where the 5 stars is located, you need to pay special attention to it and do analysis to see if the power of the star 5 can be reduced. And okay, 6 and 7, the combination of 6, 7 represents fighting. And it's because 6 is metal element, 7 is metal element. Because metal and metal, they should help each other, right? But in this special combination, because 7 is a inauspicious star, represents the robbery and casualties, and 6 represents the wealth, right? The earned income. So there's robbery, casualty combined with the earned income. So the end result is not auspicious, and usually it's the loss of the wealth. But in the Zi-Bai script, it says it's fighting. Well, it's because they use because 6 and 7 they consider it as the double sword Shaqi. It's a type of Shaqi. Remember, we talk about Shaqi a lot in previous classes. So this is a special type of Shaqi. It's called double sword Sha, and it's like there are 2 swords. They fight against each other. And 2 and 3. If you see the combination of 2 and 3, it represents fighting and lawsuits. So 2 is 2. The element of star 2 is earth. It's earth. Star 3 is wood, and wood will destroy earth, they fight against each other. So the relationship is not harmonic, and the end result is some fighting, some conflict, and in some extreme cases, it's lawsuits. 8 and 9. Okay, these are good combinations now. So most of them are bad combinations, but these are good combinations. If you see 8 and 9, usually represents the marriage, the happiness, and good fortune in general. So as again, I just to remind another reminder. So this combination means you see 8 and 9. 8 and 9 are mountain star and water star, and the yearly star is 8 or 9, and this direction is located in the direction where your main door or bedroom is at. Okay, back to here. So star 8 represents the wealth, the speculative wealth, and star 9 represents the good fortune in general. And the element of 8 is earth, and the element of star 9 is fire, and fire will generate earth. So their relationship is harmonic. So they have auspicious result. And finally, we have star 6 and 8. The combination of star 6 and 8 means success, promotion, good for wealth. This is also very apparent because both of them are wealth stars, right? So 6 represents earned income, star 8 represents the speculative income. And the element of 6 is metal, and element of 8 is earth. Earth will generate metal. Their relationship is harmonic, so the result would be auspicious, which is good for wealth, and there's success and promotion. Okay, that's all I want to say for today. So in the later classes, I will use some examples to show you how to do the Zi-Bai analysis without memorizing the script.